We've got denim. I'm so excited, and not China denim, Italian denim. And I'm very excited to show this to you. So this is really hard to find, and it's very expensive. We're going to do all of these today and tomorrow at $19.99 a yard. And some of it I paid more than that. But anyway, we're just going to average it out, $19.99 a yard. It's just beautiful. On our LA trip, we're going to a place in LA who a guy imports Italian denim. And I'm going to tell you, when you start doing your homework, you'll see the differences. Italians just do things a little bit better. I love the country. So this first one, I did it in order of weight. So it's lighter to heavier down here. This is reversible. So, and denim for fall 2024 is everywhere. It's in dresses, it's in skirts, it's just everywhere. And they are cute. So do a little bit of homework, find out. This is beautiful. They're all 100% cotton. They're just gorgeous. Okay, double-sided here. Really lightweight denim. This is also reversible. You can see it's a navy on one side and then just like a lighter color on the other, maybe even a black. Kind of black and charcoal. But both sides are very usable. Again, 100% cotton, no stretch. These two have no stretch. This is no stretch. This is a woven. It's got a little pattern on it, little circles. And yet the back side is beautiful, or whatever side it is, I can't tell. This is 100% cotton. This has stretch in one direction, so this has a lot of stretch. It's very nice. And again, both sides are usable. Be adorable. Jean jackets, all kinds of stuff. I'm just so excited. It's been so hard to find denim, and what I found is like, oh my goodness, give it to me all. This is a stretch denim. Again, 100% cotton. This is a really typical weight. Like these three are 3, and these 3 are like 4 ounce. So they're a little heavier. Very typical jean, stretch denim, one direction. This would make a great pair of jeans. And then we have the double faced. And this is a purple and a gold. And this is a designer, I'm not allowed to tell you. But anyway, this is not a, it's a stretch, it's got stretch to it, but just not a lot of stretch. I'm going to call it a stretch denim. But it just really has more mechanical stretch. But it's pretty. That gold, I think the purple is the right side, the gold is just the other thread, but very, very pretty. So all $19.99 today and tomorrow. Enjoy those denims. Happy sewing.